Welcome. In front of me is a Sony XPERIA Tablet Z, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings. From here, tap on the power management, and as you can see we have low battery mode. So as you can see, it will disable functions in order to save power when battery level is low. And once you enable it, it's basically as much as you need to do. It looks like it doesn't give us any kind of information that it's running, so there's no indication that it's on, unless this actually enables like when the battery is actually low. Yep, there we go. So it enables when the battery is below 30%. Now you can see that apparently low battery mode settings, we have things like, I guess that is what it will disable, so auto sync, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, screen timer, and screen brightness will be changed. So majority of this will be turned off, and these two will be reduced in time and in brightness. So that's basically, I guess, all we can do. Although we can also enable the stamina mode. So this is something that you can actually turn on before the actual like 30% mark, and you can see that the battery gain actually shows right here. So estimated time right now, standby time is about 9 hours, but if you enable this, we are looking at 6 days and 18 hours. So that is a significant jump, though keep in mind this is just a standby time. So standby meaning like when the device is in this kind of state, when you're not using it at all. So anyway, those are basically the couple options for power saving mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.